what happens with a grease trap that isn't maintained properly. Grease trap replacement.
Wonderful. First back to business. Let's have fun.
For this commercial kitchen, we have a 3-compartment sink that has a floor sink that services a grease trap. The grease trap itself is a 25 gallon per minute unit, while these sinks have a requirement of 50 gallons per minute. Why is that important? Because the grease trap is sized to allow a certain amount of water to enter, go through a retention time, and then cleaner water exits the trap. Undersized trap would accelerate the amount of water that's coming in, and it would diminish the time required to separate that grease and water and allow more grease to exit the trap and deposit itself into the sewer system.
A few moments later.
What we have here is a state-of-the-art underground and above ground application plastic grease interceptor that is low profile, compact, and can handle 35 to 50 gallons per minute. It's recommended to have it pumped down every month, where all of this can be easily taken apart, washed down in a sink, and then put back together super quickly to put it right back in service. This cover, it's slip resistant. It can be walked on and ran over with equipment. It has a built-in flow reducer, and once everything's done and serviced on a monthly basis, reinstall the lid, 4 bolts down, and voila, like nothing ever happened. Here's a sample of that very same interceptor installed not too long ago. That said, once we conclude the excavation and the expansion of the existing footprint, it's happening right there, we'll remove the old grease trap and prepare the job site for the installation of the new. Once that hole is ready for the installation, we'll go ahead and connect a floor drain, clean out the ventilations, check for leaks and functionality. That's in theory. Let's see how it goes.
Oi, oi, Puddles is on the way. Freedom Plumbers fixing it every day. No worries made, he'll sort the fuss. That's Puddles, the plumbing platypus. He's a ripper tradie, quick on the tools, from septic tanks to schoolhouse pools, from down